Hey everyone, my name is Anamika Shukla and I am from MP Madhya Pradesh, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is our 4th day of shadowing practice. Before we start, I want to be completely honest with you. I am still learning English too, and I'm not a perfect English speaker, but I am improving my English day by day. And just like I am learning, I want you to learn with me. So please don't judge. We are on the same journey. We are learning, growing, and getting better together. Today, we will start a new shadowing sessions. Just listen to my voice, follow my tone and rhythm, and speak with confidence. This practice will definitely improve your English, and it will also increase your confidence just like it is increasing mine. Let's begin today's shadowing practice. Repeat after me. Let's begin today's shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I am not just learning English. I am not just learning English. I am not just learning English. I am changing my future. I am changing my future. I am changing my future. I am ready to improve my English and my life. I am ready to improve my English and my life. I am ready to improve my English and my life. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and succeed. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and succeed. Every day is a new opportunity to grow and succeed. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a smile. I start my day with a smile. Well done. I drink water to stay healthy. I drink water to stay healthy. I drink water to stay healthy. I do a little exercise every morning. I do a little exercise every morning. I do a little exercise every morning. I focus on my important task first. I focus on my important task first. I focus on my important task first. Great job. I work hard to achieve my goals. 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 I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, tell me in the comments where are you from and which topic you want to cover in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, practicing with me today. Keep learning, keep growing, keep improving, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.